The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has proudly presented an innovation hub christened MAAUN Innovation Hub, a groundbreaking initiative operating under the auspices of the Institute of African Higher Education Research and Innovation, AHERI. This dynamic hub is poised to foster an empowering environment where entrepreneurs will breathe life into their promising ideas, transforming them into thriving ventures. The official launch ceremony, a grand affair attended by students, esteemed guests, and dedicated staff members, unfolded at the School of Computing, where the Innovation Hub finds its home. In his address at the occasion, Engineer Muftau elucidated the hub's core purpose: to stand as a nurturing epicenter for innovative concepts while providing unwavering support for early-stage and startups and creative projects. He emphasized that the hub's role extended to the empowerment of student and local entrepreneurs alike. Through access to essential resources, invaluable mentorship, and collaborative spaces, the hub aims to be a driving force for impactful change via innovation and entrepreneurship. The launch event also shone a spotlight on pioneering startups, which included both students and non-students of the university. They seized the opportunity to unveil their innovative startup ideas, each bearing its unique brand name. In a keynote address, Aisha Tofa, the founder of Startup Kano Limited, underscored the significance of innovation as a bedrock of development. She expressed her readiness to engage in partnership and consultations to bolster the prosperity of the MAAUN Innovation Hub. Addressing the students directly, she encouraged them to nurture their passion and creativity. These qualities, she asserted, would enable them to judiciously leverage the hub's offerings and craft solutions that would shape not only Africa's future, but extend their impact far beyond its borders. In his remarks, Professor Gorzo, president of MAAUN Group of Universities, commended the initiative, aligning it with the university's commitment to producing not merely certificate holders, but job creators and problem solvers. Professor Gorzo, who officially inaugurated the MAAUN Innovation Hub, pledged unwavering support for the program. He assured that the university would regularly invite senior researchers to mentor the budding innovators, further enriching their journey. Echoing this sentiment, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, president of MAAUN, stressed the hub's pivotal role. He envisioned it as a crucible from which visionary leaders among the students would emerge, poised to steer impactful change through innovation and entrepreneurship. With the MAAUN Innovation Hub now a reality, a new era of creativity and entrepreneurship dawns upon the university, brimming with boundless possibilities.